Hey everybody, I am coming to you from in front of a window so that you can see the fibers in this wig. This is Belle Tress Santa Barbara in Caramel Blonde Rooted. And if you saw my last video about this, I said I can't believe this wig is not tangling. It's a heat-friendly wig that's longer, so it rubs against your clothing. And if you know anything about heat-friendly fibers, they do tend to tangle more. So I decided to test this wig for an entire week. And if you watched in the last video, I contacted Belle Tress and I said, why isn't this wig tangling? And they told me that they bake oil into the fibers that help to condition the fibers and also help prevent them from tangling. So I wore this wig every day, all day, morning to night. I didn't comb it during the day. I didn't use any products in it. And normally I watch my grandson on most days, and he's a year old, so I don't have time to be messing with my wig. But I wanted to make sure that I wore it every day to test this out. So all I would do is I'd wear it all day long, and then at the end of the day, I would take it off and comb it. No detangler or anything. And I'd start combing from the bottom. Now it did tangle a little bit in the bottom, but not a lot, not compared to other heat-friendly wigs. And it was very easy to get the tangles out, and then I'd be ready for the next day. So I know that some of you have said to me, well, I have this older style and it tangles. How long have they been using this oil? I don't know if the oil's changed over time. They said they've been using it for 7 years, and this is a newer wig, so I don't know if their older styles have the same oil in it or not. I will try to find that out and get back to you on that. In any case, I'm getting a bunch of new Belle Tress wigs coming to me today. I'm so excited. And I'll be testing those and I'll be reviewing those, so you'll get to see those as well. The other thing I wanted to show you was the ends. So like I said, no products, nothing over the week. And this is how the ends have worn. I think they could use some application of heat, but for the way I treated them, I don't think they're bad at all. Okay, I just wanted to give you an update and let you know how these fibers are wearing. I'm loving them. I can't wait to get my new Belle Tress wigs. I hope you all are having a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.